Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time we are going to watch this amazing vlog. I'm only Chacha from Kiburanga village, Kiburanga to the world. Welcome back to this amazing channel. I go by name only Chacha. I know each and every day I receive new member on my channel. Keep subscribing, take me to 2,000 subscribers right now. Thank you for supporting me to reach to 1,000 subscribers. Right now I'm at home. Today it is a Sunday as usual, no work. We have to rest at least to serve God, to praise God. God created 7 days and he put a days to rest. In the seventh day is the day maybe to rest. I have here Kasongo is disturbing me. Kasongo is very disturbing me, by the way. Kasongo. I want to give him, I want to give the Kasongo food. Kasongo. 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 Asa. I want to give Kasongo food here. At least it can enjoy. I want to give Kasongo. I want to give Kasongo this food. As you can see, there is much food of food. It is written dog. Yeah. This food, want to give, and here, yeah. Thank you for coming in. Today is a Sunday. You can see changes at my home. This is the main house. This is my father's house. Here it is the place where we'll be sharing a lot. We'll be sharing meal, sharing ideas, and sharing. Right now, it lack more things, but in God's process, we may get at least. Yeah. Here I can see, wow, there's many changes in this house. Wow. You can see they tried to put here door. Yeah, they are trying to put here door. I can see the frames. As you can see, there is frames that is going to hold the door. And the other part, you can see many cements. This cement is for Elizabeth. Right now we are keeping for Elizabeth here because of security. In security, we can't keep their things because those kids are small. We are putting them in danger. When you put something, this is the bulk of cement, as you can see here. This is the bulk of cement. When you keep them there, you are keeping the risk of that kids at risk right now, because a thieves can come and maybe can injure the kids, and that does not seem to look good. The other parts I have seen, I think they have put in curtain rod in each and every houses. The curtain rod, you can see, yeah, there is a curtain rod for holding. Yeah, for holding the curtains are here. They have already placed it here, but you can see they have already placed it there in each and every room, I think. Yeah. You can see here Kasongo is here. The compound is very clean. Today it is a Sunday, no work. People are resting. The other part, kitchen. What is your camera? The other part, my sister is here. Say hello. He's trying to mop, by the way, cleaning the kitchen to make the kitchen at least to look good. That is the way to go. Yeah, nice one. Mambo ya wasiri kura be. Hari ko gibo kila siko. Mambo hatu kibo sekia. Umenyo le hatu etore ro gibo. Ya were ro gibo kila siko ya arapa. Toko mahen can see the cleanness. He's enjoying tea and rice. You can see rice here. Yeah, that is breakfast. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello, welcome.
Hello, welcome to our home.
Yeah.
As you see now, I am drinking a tea.
You prepared a tea? Are you going to church?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. At what time? Where is the others? This one, you can see the pots are here for making tea. Yeah, that is the way to go. Yeah, want to put it off. It is off. I was putting the gas off. That is the way to go. Yeah. The other part is like a store. Wow. Look very amazing by the right now. As I take you along. Behind me, this is where we have been harvesting. We have remained with one portion, and that portion it is down there. Down there you can see from far. If you see some maize coming from the old houses, you can see the old houses. The new houses are here. So it's for those people asking our farms how where it reach. You can see going downward to the old house. It is where our houses, our land reaches. You can pass through that maze that is standing there. Then you can go down there. Yeah. With the time being, we can get to know. Yeah. Yeah. Can see the curtain rods to my brother. They are here. Yeah, they placed the curtain rods. The remaining things is putting curtains on the curtain rod, by the way. But you know, there's something we fix. Yeah. We greet her. In my mother's room, you can see. Atukoli and kale. That's all. Akia mungu tukoli and he's asking if you have done tea. My sister has already made tea here. Itu kutro imuke. Maha. Chikoni yake katri rabe kudirisha. Ni zabiri yoki. I'm trying to. My mom is trying to say that we put a curtain. Let me show you where my mom is saying to put a curtain. You're not putting here a curtain. He's saying to put here a curtain at the kitchen door. No, it will be a lot of smoke. You need an air, and a beautiful air passing through the kitchen. By the way. Trying to twakemkia katene ya mona pakakihera David entambere kuika kwa mrango bana ani lord. So you can see here he's trying to say that the curtain we placed there is supposed to be the kitchen. No, etakapa chikoni ne raburu tu abiri hata hewa ilicho kinchia era ni chikoni. I want to see if my sister era wara wasari ara bai mutu pa tore kate road re emoyo. I'm trying to open here. You know, we close with this so that to avoid theft cases here. Yeah, you can see how they put curtain rolls. Yeah, wonderful. They try to demonstrate here, but you know, my good people, these things it look like are large. It reaches such. Let me show you. Yeah, it look amazing. You can see it reaches downward. I don't know any advice will you give us about this curtain. They did an examples here, but it reaches downward. Yeah, you can see it reaches to the floor. I don't know any advice that will give us so that you can see they put it at the top, but when you close it, let me try to close it. Yeah, but it reaches downward. That is why they have tied like this. Yeah, it reaches downward. Any advice in the comment section? What will you do? You can see. No, you can see. Wonderful. It is okay, but you can see. The bad things, it cover well, but the bad things, it reaches downward. You can see this is the flow. This is the flow, you know. It reaches. Are we going to cut these curtains? Are we going to cut these curtains? You can see it reaches downward. You can see it reaches to the floor. They are too long. So, any advice in the comment section? Are we going to cut this curtain rod? Are we going to cut these curtains? Because right now we must do some things, but by holding it somewhere here. Yeah, by holding it to avoid being that. You can see it reaches on the floor. Yeah, and that does not look good. So are we going to cut? Are we going to cut these curtain rods, or what can we do? Yeah, as I told you, new changes in our house is starting to coming out. New changes at our house is starting coming out, and that is the way to go. I need to close these doors because right now it is a Sunday, nobody is here, to avoid theft cases. You know, I'll show you the soul that what I'm missing in my room that was stolen. No. Yeah. 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 Keep watching until the end. I'm trying to close these doors. Yeah. At least to avoid insecurity. I'm trying to close these doors. So the Kasongo. You know today is a Sunday. I'm here with the Kasongo. Yeah. I think it's 15 minutes now. Yeah. We keep moving. You can see the compound, the new changes. To those people who are greedy or jealous about us, continue being jealous. That is the power you are putting us, at least. You know, your energy of jealous is the power that we use to strengthen our development, by the way. Nothing comes. It is only prayer, and that is all. Let us pray to God. Let us worship. Let us see everything that the progress of someone, don't use it to be the progress of someone, don't use it to be the weakness that you want to go and undermine. You don't want to see someone succeeding. That is stupidity. And that is why God came. Yeah, can't say like this. This is avocado. They are fruits. They are fruits. They are so-called fruits. They are so-called fruits. Yeah, you can see these fruits. And this Sodom apple, you know, sometimes people wonder what is this. Yeah, this is used like, some days it used like some diseases of treating. I don't know if it is a stomach. This one, it's used like as something. And here, and the bees like these flowers. Bees like these flowers. In fact, the bees like these flowers. Yeah. And here it is avocado for producing fruits. You know, recently they were living here. Yeah, you can see. Yeah. Yeah. And this, you can see, it has started producing. It has started producing good fruits. You can see. It is very nice. These are useful fruit. You can see in the other parts, it has started producing good fruits. That is the way to go. Yeah, exactly. This, we call it avocado. Avocado. If you know the name of avocado, tune in until the end. This is the way. These are fruits. They are sweet fruit, by the way. You can see how it has produced some beautiful. Yeah. And the other parts, this is where they use. Can show you by the way I'm going to adventure. This is where they used to cut some nipple glass for cows. You know, when they put here, yeah, here. This is where they cut here. This is where they cut, at least cut down. This is where they cut down some nipple grass so that the cows can enjoy it. You can see, yeah, people made, this is simple to make. This one, it use, you know the importance of this one, it is very simple. The importance of this one, it makes you, the cows eat all grass, all nipple grass that you have cut down here. It eat all grasses or nipple grass that we put in this. It can't left anything, and it can't destroy it in any way or the other. That is the way. In the other parts, it is our neighbor Elizabeth. The way to go, by the way. Elizabeth. It is a Sunday, by the way. Wow, they have covered, you know. It has not yet covered because, but the good things they have covered using this. This is the borehole. This borehole, by the way. This borehole help us a lot. Help us a lot. This borehole help us a lot. In fact, it help us like Church's family. This borehole of Elizabeth help us because right now we don't have water there, but we are using this water. This is that we call neighborhood. We don't have borehole that does not have water, but we are using we are using water from Elizabeth place. You can see this is the borehole that is covered by using. It has not been covered, but sometimes you remove it. You remove, then you remove, then you can see the contents are removed, then be covered because you avoid some dangerous cases. Like right now, I can see kids are here. When kids are here, someone can happen. They can play. They can play here. Then all of a sudden, they can get to come and someone can drop here, or some jealousness. Someone can push some jealousness can make someone to push them here. The progress at Elizabeth Place, it is going well. Yesterday they were doing inside them. They call it what? They call it. It has a name that call them. Yeah. They call it. I think molding inside the window. Is it called molding or cobra? It's a cobra. Cobra. Do you know the meaning of cobra? Molding, it is outside. Yeah. I want to cure them. I don't know if they have cured. I can cure them. The good things, have they cured this wall? No. I want to cure them, by the way. Yeah, I want to cure them. You know, it is good. Let me help them to cure for today. Yeah, let me help them to cure. What I'm doing, cure leaf. You can see the process that yesterday they did. They did. Me, what I do is to cure them. Yeah. I want to cure them, by the way. Yeah. I want to cure them. You know, yesterday they did cobra here. So the good things, I want to cure them here. Yeah. Yeah. I want to call someone to hold me here, camera. I want to continue curing them. I don't see anyone to hold me a camera. Here I've already cured. I want. It is good. You can see what I was trying to do. Yeah. I was trying to cure where they did. You can see the molding. This is what they call molding. You can see the molding. They did here. They did here. I think they finished outside. Wow. I think they finished inside. I have a long way to cure. Yeah, I want to cure them. What I'm trying to do. I'm trying to cure. Iga, baraka mo ba rin? Umuahay. Hogol. Amo ba rin? Tata. Yeah, I'm trying to cure. Call Andrew here so that we can help each other. He can hold the camera so that I can help them curing. Andrew, kuja nikwambia Andrew. Ibia nikwambia. Yeah. Kuja nikwambia, zunguka hivi. I want Andrew to hold me a camera so that you can see how I'm curing. I want to help this kid. Shika hapa hivi. Usikate. Sawa, wewe shika hapa tu chini. Unimulike mimi, make sure umenimulika. Inanimulika mimi. Inanimulika vizuri. Mimi waona. Mimi waona. Sawa. Nimulike. Inanimulika tena nafanya. Unaona nafanya nini? Inua kabisa. Unaona nafanya nini?
Unamwagilizia.
I want to help you to cure. Nataka nionyeshe vile mtakuwa mnamwagilia. You know, I want to show them how to. I want to show them how to cure these places. Maybe next time they will cure. Yeah, you know there are kids. No, there are kids.
Tunataki kuona wewe wote.
Si unaniona?
Yeah. Ukiwa mbali ndio inakuona wote mwili mzima.
Unasonga. Hapo unaniona?
Yeah,
I'm curing by the way. That is the way. Nasonga vile nasonga. So, songa vile naanza. So you want to do here. Unamulika yote? Yeah. Sino? Yeah. Sasa nimwagilie hapa. Namulika wapi? Hapa. Trying to cure these places. Sasa hao walitengeneza sehemu kubwa. Walimaliza ndani they finish inside. So the next day. Namulika. Try to cure them here. So I'm trying. Unaona vile namwagilia maji. Next time waambie Baraka mkuje mwagilie. Zisipasuke. Next time kuja mwambie Baraka. Baraka vile namwagilia hapo sasa. Next time mebaki hii. Next time ndio hapo Baraka sio hapo namwagilia. I hope you are seeing me. Unaniona mimi? Ona hiyo mti sikukiri. Yeah. Ama hiyo mbali sana. Kudi. Yo, this go. Namulika wingo. Come. Yeah. You are finished. Okay. As you can see, I have finished curing. Let me show you what I was doing. I was doing something that help. You know this wall. We have to cure this wall so that it can not to make cracks. This wall I have already cured all of them. I've already cured all of them. You can see, yeah. So you can see I have cured all places that you see, like this one. If it could be not be cured, it could not be cured today. Here you can see it was started making cracks, but I have to step in to cure them. Yeah, I have cured all of them, by the way. Yeah, I have cured. That is the way to go. You know, yesterday they finished inside all. Yeah, maybe inside it is the floor. Yeah, it is the floor downward here, and I can see cements are there. That is the way to go. And on the other side, I have Chacha. Chacha, say how are you?
How are you?
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good evening. Depend the time we are going to watch this amazing vlog. Depending the time you are going to watch.
You're going to watch.
I'm Andrew. I'm Andrew from Kibranga.
I'm Andrew from Kibranga.
Yeah. Kibranga. How are you, Andrew?
I'm fine.
You are fine?
Yeah.
I can see you are fine. Have you taken the tea? They are preparing. I can see she's preparing for you the tea, and that is the way to go. Huh? Andrew, but you have seen how to make, how to cure. Umeona vile nimeonyesha vile mtakuwa mnamwagilia maji kwa ona, but nitakuwa nawasaidia. I'm trying to tell Andrew that if I hope he has saw how to cure the wall. So if they will not be doing, I will be doing for them. I will be helping them to do, because this to avoid cracking of the wall, and that is the way to go. By the way, we help each other. I have told Andrew, if you are keen, you have shown me how to cure the wall. Each and every day we must cure the wall where they have made. Unaona, kila siku lazima mkiwa, unaona kama jioni mwagilie tu, sawa? Alafu jioni ikifika msimwagilie. Si uliona vile nilikuwa namwagilia? So I'm trying to tell Andrew that at the evening to cure the wall also. Evening and the morning, and that is the way to go. Yeah. I want to see what he's preparing for them here. I'm working with the Andrew here. Yeah. That is the way to go, Andrew. Yeah. Can see they have good fruits. Can see the fruits. They are blessed, by the way. Can see. Yeah. So. Yeah. So. Today we will not have much to say. Can see the banana. Good one, by the way. So today. Tibejere kwani? Tibejere. Yeah. So my video today, it is a Sunday day. I will not talk too much. It is the time to rest. Maybe my video, I want to take this opportunity to thank people who have been there for us, who have been there for Elizabeth family, who have been there for Smiling Grandma, Smiling Grandma, who have been there to all people. Team Davy, may God continue blessing you. May God continue giving you more the energy to help each other to Mat Africa. May God continue giving you more energy to help others, you know, to help many people, and may God bless you a lot. May whatever you need in life, you get more. That is the way to go. That is why I want to end this video. Yeah, I can see. I want to end this video by sitting down here. I say I want to appreciate all people around the world, all family around the world, all family that come together to help me to help my family from the scratch to somewhere there. You know, dream are valid when you have support. Through your support, may God bless you. May God continue blessing you. People have put their hands together. May God continue blessing you. May God continue blessing you. Mat Africa, may God continue blessing you a lot. May whatever you need in life, may you get it more. Team Davy, or Team Davy, Jonte Fresh, Vibe with Easy. May God, Mama C, Mom from Canada, may God continue bless you. Dad, Mom, wherever you are, may God continue blessing you a lot. You have done a good work, and we will always be grateful to you. Mama C, Mom from Canada, all moms around the world, all dads around the world, may continue bless you a lot. May God bless you abundantly. Thank you for watching this amazing vlog. Today is a Sunday day. May you feel blessed, to be blessed a lot. May more bless come to you, all of you who are watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.